Ready? Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh in Civil Miscellaneous Writ Petition number 9167 of 2007 and Civil Miscellaneous Writ Petition number 6854 of 2008, by which the High Court has modified the judgment and order passed by the learned Central Administrative Tribunal in original application number 886/CH/2005 and consequently has directed the appellants to revisit the whole issue, complete the exercise to reformulate their regularization/observation policy and take a decision to sanction the posts in a phased manner, the Union of India and others have preferred the present appeal. Para. The High Court has further directed that till the exercise, as directed above, is undertaken, the appellants shall continue the employees in service with their current status. But to those of them who have completed 20 years as part-time daily wagers shall be granted minimum basic pay of Group D posts with effect from 1/4/2015 and or the date of completion of 20 years contractual service, whichever is later, that the respondents herein are were working as contingent paid part-time sweepers, safai karmacharis working for less than 5 hours a day in a post office at sector 14, Chandigarh, that the respondents approached the Central Administrative Tribunal being original application number 886/CH/2005 seeking directions to frame a regularization/observation policy for regularization of their service, Alternatively, a direction for grant of temporary status with effect from 19/11/1989, Para. The said original application was opposed by the department, Written statement was filed stating that the respondents' original applicants are contingent paid safaiwalas working for less than 5 hours and, therefore, are not entitled for temporary status, It was further stated that there is no regular sanctioned post of safaiwala in that particular post office in Chandigarh, and OM dated 11/12/2006 was issued by the Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India, by which regularization of qualified workers appointed against sanctioned posts in irregular manner was declared, A regularization policy was framed considering the decision of this court in the case of Secretary, State of Karnataka and others versus Umadevi and others, 2006 4 SCC 1, Para. It provided that the Union of India, the state governments and their instrumentalities should take steps to regularize as a non-one-time measure the services of such irregularly appointed qualified persons, in terms of the statutory requirement of the rules for the posts, who have worked for 10 years or more in duly sanctioned posts, but not under cover of order of the courts or of tribunals, Para. As the respondents' original applicants were serving as part-time employees working for 5 hours a day and there were no regular sanctioned posts in the particular post office, and so they were not granted the benefit of the said OM dated 11/12/2006, by the judgment and order dated 17/1/2007, the learned tribunal disposed of the said OA, rejecting the claim of the respondents for their regularization, full stop. However, the learned tribunal observed that since the department need the continuous service of safaiwalas, they shall advertise this post to appoint regular safaiwala through proper process of selection positively within 3 months.